Hey guys, Rob here. So as you see, we have a shotgun today, and this video I'm going to show you guys how I like to camouflage my rifles. So let's go. All right, so before we get started in today's video, I'm going to show you guys all the stuff that we're going to use today and how to prep the rifle or whatever stock you want to camouflage. All right, so got my table set up and I have a couple of different paints out. You guys can see here, they don't necessarily have to say camouflage on the can. As long as it's like a flat or maybe even like a satin style paint, you should be all right. And we're gonna need a little bit of masking tape, and I have this piece of cardboard over here just as a backstop for my table so I don't get paint all over my table. And next couple of things we're gonna need is just gonna be some natural vegetation from around. I like to use the vegetation from my area because when I'm camouflaging my weapon, I want it to look more natural and blend in with everything around here. The whole point to camouflage is really just to make something appear less visible, to break up any hard edges on something. What we're gonna do is, since that gun is all black, we're gonna go ahead and break it all up, and we're gonna put a base layer on and everything. So I got 4 different pieces of vegetation here. We got this right here, and I put a little bit of tape on there, that way if it blows on the ground I know where it is. And then we have this here bundle of like grass or something. We've got this here, and the last one is going to be some of this. Okay, so we got everything masked off, and we got the front sight there covered up, all the stamping on the barrel itself. We got the rear iron sight covered. I've also covered this here butt pad because that's rubber and the paint's not going to stick to that. I covered the breech, and that's pretty much it. So the first thing you want to do before you put your pattern on is start developing the background. The background is going to represent the color of whatever it is that you're trying to print on your rifle. For instance, this grass here is green. It's like a bright green. So what I would do is I would put a base layer or background layer of green, and then when I apply this here, I would go over with a darker paint, and then what you're going to see after that is going to be only the light green color because it's the base coat. So we're going to start like that. And I'm just going to go randomly here. There's no real order to this. Go ahead and hit the barrel. It's really windy today. Probably not the best day to do this, but so now we're going to start using our vegetation, and I'm going to do the pattern in an upward position because if I'm looking downrange, grass and stuff is growing up, so that's the pattern I'm going to use. gonna hit this real quick, just like that. And we're getting some patterns going on here. It's definitely best to do this on a non-windy day. All right, time to do the other side. So once I finish up with this here, I'll show you guys the final product. All right, so we got the shotgun all camouflaged up, and I'm happy with how it came out. Show you guys this side here. Came out real good. It's still just a tad bit sticky, so definitely needs to dry for at least a couple days. But yeah, it came out really good, and I hope that you guys found the video helpful. If you did, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new, share the video with somebody. Until next time, guys, see you on the trail.